Having a website for your small business increases its credibility, but most people think that building a website for their antique restoration service is going to be expensive and it's going to be super complicated as well. Today, I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can build a simple and affordable website on the Mighty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, antique furniture restoration service. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a website for you and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the beautiful, timeless treasures you have restored to its former beauty. You want to showcase it on your website. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services. To make changes, it's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. Let me show you the ropes. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. And physical location, maybe you are mobile service, but if not, pop in your address here. And when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath, update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. The icons will be displayed for each social channel at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Head on over to the next section. If you have a business logo, once it's been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Now, if you'd like to change the colors used throughout your website, you don't need to know any color coding whatsoever. Click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options for you to choose from. There are so many options available. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your own business, all you need to do is click on that update section button directly underneath each section you wish to make changes to. Underneath update images, where you can browse your device and upload your own images, or search through that photo library with hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with the click of a button, automatically pull in those photos. Now, underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on them and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file if you want to. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Mighty dashboard. Now, domains are super easy as well. To connect your custom domain, click on that yellow button at the bottom and go through the process of connecting it. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors.